As part of a fitness journey, it is often necessary to include exercises that produce measurable results. One such exercise that has gained widespread popularity is the push-up. Used by many to strengthen the core and upper body, the daily practice of 50 push-ups is known for its transformative effects on various muscle groups. In this video, we will dive deeper into the physiological and psychological impact of this exercise, exploring its influence on cardiovascular health, muscle development, and overall well-being. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight to it. Number 1. Cardiovascular Boost. Beyond the visible gains in muscle definition, push-ups contribute significantly to cardiovascular health. The heart's increased workload during this exercise not only pumps blood to the arms, but also engages the abdominal muscles. This dual action enhances cardiovascular endurance, leading to improvements in heart health and a reduction in overall body fat. The intricate coordination of back muscles and triceps during push-ups not only strengthens these muscle groups, but also fosters stability, preventing injuries and promoting an aesthetic of strength. Number 2. Muscle engagement. Performing 50 push-ups every morning activates various muscle groups, including the shoulders, arms, legs, and core. As the back muscles and triceps stretch and contract, there might be a sensation of an odd click or movement within these muscle groups. While this might be disconcerting initially, it is a sign that the muscles are actively engaged and working together. This phenomenon is normal and, in fact, beneficial for preventing injuries and enhancing overall muscle coordination. Number 3. Effects after 30 days. The first month of incorporating 50 push-ups into your daily routine is a critical period for your body's adaptation. For those not accustomed to such a rigorous exercise regimen, the effects are more pronounced. Weight loss around the bicep, tricep, and deltoid areas becomes evident, especially for individuals with excess fat in these regions. The overall aesthetic and self-image improve, boosting confidence and motivation. Additionally, functional strength sees considerable enhancements, making everyday activities more manageable. Number 4. Adaptation and Soreness. Performing 50 push-ups a day is undeniably demanding, and the initial weeks may leave your upper body and abdomen feeling extremely sore. However, as the body adapts to the stress, the soreness gradually diminishes. This adaptation is a testament to the body's ability to handle increased physical activity and points to the elimination of overstress that causes soreness. Over time, the exercise becomes less fatiguing, providing a sense of accomplishment and progress. Number 5. Additional considerations. While the transformative effects of 50 push-ups a day are evident, it's crucial to approach this exercise with care. Overloading weak muscles can lead to muscle and tendon injuries. Therefore, consider gradually increasing the number of push-ups to allow your body to adapt safely. It's also essential to complement your routine with a balanced diet and proper hydration for optimal results. In conclusion, push-ups are a versatile and effective exercise for strengthening various muscle groups, enhancing cardiovascular health, and improving overall body composition. The transformative journey of incorporating 50 push-ups into your daily routine involves both physical and mental adaptations. Listen to your body, gradually progress, and celebrate the positive changes on your path to a stronger, healthier you. That's all for today. If you found this information valuable, consider giving a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. Also, don't forget to check our other videos as well. See you in the next one.